let's review some high-level objectives of concepts you should try to master by the end of this course. At the end of this session, you should have a good grasp on how to position the Square Reader SDK and the flexibility it adds to a seller's ability to customize the customer's purchase experience. To get there, you should be able to understand the differences between the Square Reader SDK and our API. Understand use cases that you can showcase in your discussion with existing and prospective sellers, and be aware of the hardware, technical, and business requirements to successfully deploy the Reader SDK. This overview will touch more on the business application and the value add of the Reader SDK. In this training, we are making the assumption that you know what an SDK and an API are. However, if you are new to SDKs, we provide a definition of that for you here. API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API is a set of programming instructions and standards for accessing a web tool or database. APIs essentially allow two different pieces of software to effectively communicate with one another. A company like Square provides APIs to partners so that developers can design products that are powered by the Square platform. Finally, APIs are typically packaged in an SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. A software development kit, or dev kit, is typically a set of software development tools that allows the creation of apps for a specific platform. Typically, an SDK includes one or more APIs, programming tools, and associated documentation. Can that be explained in layman's terms? Absolutely. Let's say you want your web service or database to talk to my app. We'll use my API. The API are, in essence, the keys to unlock the service or data from another source. Depending on the API, the key can be used once, anytime, or only to unlock certain doors. That's why reading through API documentation is very important to understand what the app will be able to do and how long it will be able to build. SDKs, then, are groupings of these APIs.